And whatever happened, I think you guys hold on to this child to come out and make people know that you're deeply sorry, you guys are remorseful, and you guys regret the action that you guys take against this child, and ask for the forgiveness of the Most High, our Lord and Savior. See? And also, I feel like Shanice, Aina Thompson, I'd like to hear from the crocodile as well, you know. Mr. T or Reptile T, I have messaged you one time and you blocked me. Probably if you never blocked me, we'd have a conversation where I could have cleared up some things and put back some in the public domain. However, you move aggressive and you block because I sent you a voice note and I sent a message to explain to you who I am and what I am for, what I am about, and you did not reply. You blocked me. And I've got numerous WhatsApp. I've got 18 WhatsApp, and I could have done the 18 of them, but I'm thinking to myself, why am I going to run it down? I'm going to follow back a man and to try to clear you in the public eyes. You should be the one that reaching out to me and telling me what's going on so I can come and explain to the people what's going on and all these things. Now, reach out to me. Tell your daughter, reach out to me. My phone number is 999, but you can message me and give you a next one if you call her and I ain't get through. You understand? I make a reason because you probably know by now that it doesn't matter what platform you shut down, you have to shut me down by making me unalive. Else it's not gonna stop. I am not for soul. Can't buy me up. Again, lover. You understand, guys? And for all of the people who are there from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 until now, big up on yourself. Anybody who believe in the movement, big up on yourself. If you tap up the screen, big up on yourself. If you have a different opinion from me, I want to still there every day, big up on yourself. You see me? Big up on yourself. Because we keep on saying this and I will always say it. My dream is not for the bag of views. My dream is not for the bag of likes. My dream is for people who decide to make children and people and other people disappear, get it in their thick skull that the social media world will not have it. We will not follow that trend, and we will seek you out and we will make sure you're going to a sweatbox. And that is the reason why I'm asking the Most High to shine His light down on us and give us the health that we need and the strength to bring Jayden's unalive to justice. And that will give us a boot in our step for when we step out for the next boy or girl who want to make somebody disappear. Them know so we are come for them and we not stop till we get them. Ziggy, stop. You understand what I say? So, Ziggy, stop. You know, so I don't know how my daughter do it. I said the woman set me thing to come off every evening, you know, at 5 after 5 and play some old school song. So like say, like wind that slam and bass. I don't know what that little girl managed to do that. Broke her finger them. From the front, from the little finger part. So yes, people.
Don't does that, the vet will come for you.
Oh, see there.
Yeah, remember that.
Yeah man, people, so I want to take a time out to big up everybody, near and far, big up on yourself, and we just have to hope. And me I tell you, don't get frustrated, people, right? Do not get frustrated because that's what the enemies want. You understand? And please go onto the internet and look. Stuff like these happen and they are not sprint where you just run a 100-meter sprint and done. Sometimes it's a marathon. But them have a say where them say belief can kill and belief can cure. And I believe if we keep the gas pedal upon the floor, we will get there for sure. Price, big up yourself because
Papa, what if Shanique them tell Jayden to wait for her by the KFC? Remember Lava tell us that the KFC is right near to the look at these that they say, you know. And when she text the mother says she's waiting for it in Jayden, that's why she has to tell them about KFC to forget. It's Jayden she has to pick up right there, so.
You know, say, let me tell you something, Shanda. This guy just put me down one big anticipation right now, so I can't go rest my brain for see what them come with later, to be honest with you.
No, because remember, said the man, you know, the mother said, you know, somebody saw Jayden minutes to 5 o'clock. That means he was in the mandeville facility. I don't feel it's up Pert Road. I remember surprised that the man said he like cross the road wherever they saw. It could very well be here. Same day they are waiting at the area, they just wait for her because remember them say, yeah, then tell them same away to him cousin.
Yeah, and the cousin, I feel the cousin was Demar.
It no must be Demar. It should be her.
Yeah, but she has not seen him since 2023 according to her. That's so why she doesn't come and visit to see him now?
You know, because if we are getting the motive already, she having 2 tickets and all of that. Jayden telling somebody him away to him cousin. Demar don't go to school. Demar staying there at the hospital, which is Demar is the one passing the information to Jayden, you know. And I tell Jayden, what go happen Friday? Wait for do. Wait for wait. Based on the timeline and everything. And the man seen back. So that means that if him go upper Mega Mart and him go through back gate and head go up. She herself debunked that and cause she come tell me say the man say him sitting minutes to 5 o'clock. So after him go up there, so him come back down in the town.
My question to them is this, right? How did they get that information for Friday night?
But Tiger, the Friday night, something what them must say is boy him go Pert Road. Them body not tell them that Tiger, them now is trying to create a storyline for say somebody random pick Jayden cause him a go up this or whatever.
Yeah, but they did went there and search, so that's what I'm saying. How did they come up with that Pert Road business? How they
Tiger, them not gonna where go search, them a act like them a search. Them know what them do already.
No man, Shanda, remember say even Shang did be a part of the search then.
Shan don't know what is happening. The people them will know what is happening have to put on a facade. Like it's a cover up because we have to act like say this is real and it's missing for true. Because if we not search people like a suspect we. So we have to go search and say these things. But remember, we don't want people to search the yard. But remember,
I get that, but I'm saying they did do the search up there. That's what I'm saying.
I don't say no, they did. But listen, we don't want people to search the yard. So we have to get some people to search somewhere out in the public where as it could be anybody. Now remember, Shanika the one who said, I could just think that somebody see a little boy walking up the road alone and somebody take him.
You realize
so that is PR storyline where she created but say after she do whatever she can just say somebody just take a little boy because people are taking people regular.
But look on it. You know that the search only concentrate Pert Road. You don't hear them go search. You don't hear them did a search nowhere else but Pert Road.
That's what I am saying. That's what I am saying.
No video yet. Them never seen a video of Mega Mart yet. But them first search concentrate Perth Road. Nowhere else.
That's what I am saying, Price. How the hell did they come up with Perth Road?
So that me I tell a Tiger the only way them could have known is because of what them do.
They're not fit that right.
Them have know already what them do, that's why. And because
Remember the
Tiger,
storyline was that the lady from the community saying see Jayden and go up Perth Road.
no, the lady never said that.
No,
The lady said she see him in Mega Mart.
No, not that lady. Shanta, remember
No,
it was a
that's
different
after, man.
lady.
Tiger, alright, so cute girl, listen, make you think logically now. So you
No, I'm
think,
not
hold
thinking.
on.
I'm talking about what they said.
Listen to me, I say. The lady who in a Mega Mart come from Wales, come from them community we see him. The man was saying see Jayden, him come from the community as well.
Yes.
No, unaga tell me say one not you know. They will come tell me say one another lady from the community see him. The lady,
Yes.
other lady, listen now, remember break it down to you. It's only two person from the community see him. The woman that says she see him in a Mandeville. And the man where Price talk to, them two person they see him for true.
But you know, so
The
before
other
we hear
woman.
Price, remember before we hear Price talking, they talk about the man that signed by the taxi stand because we hear that
Alright.
before we hear about Price. We also
Alright.
hear about the lady where tell them
Them
say,
soaking
this
wet.
is Jayden I go up Perth Road, and
Come
I
on.
also heard of the lady that asked him into Mega Mart. When I do here so at this time.
Alright,
So
listen
the
now.
three people I heard about.
So I could break it down. That lady was see him, she is not from she's not from the community. That are the woman know where say our son are the one we see him. Remember, them are saying no, the lady, them are say the lady when we the upper Perth Road, one woman tell them say she see Jayden.
Even
That when
before,
them
that's
up
why we are
there
saying.
already a
Standard.
search.
Wait there, please. Even before all of these people, I am saying that they first search before them hear anything from all of these
So that me just a
people.
confirm Price. And that me just confirm that lady where she a talk about is when them up there already a search, them see the lady.
No,
and
okay. All right, that wasn't what I got from what the boy said. He's when somebody asked him, so where am I do up a Perth Road? Instead, the lady will tell we say see Jayden and I go up Perth Road, and that's the reason why them search Perth Road.
No, but there is another question to him. There was another
who said that?
Into one of the interview when they asked, and you never saying the upper Perth Road, you know.
No man. Yeah,
Well, I
no,
know.
man, there's a part of the-
Who
part of
said
the-
that? Who they asked that question and them said that? Them are say when we're up there, you see the woman and them ask one of them go back and say the lady was said them was say she see the she realized that the little boy missing, and by the time we get the call and go back up there, in gone.
So they were on location before everybody said anything.
That is what me I try to make you understand. They were there before, and I like them there them yard, and somebody tell them say them see him up a Perth Road to go up there. Remember them and the auntie them say and the auntie and Mr. T saying that them are go on Mandeville. Them are go on Mandeville for go see if a taxi in the gate. And when them go hold on.
The one I listened to, I didn't get that. I get they were looking for him. Somebody tell them saying to Jayden go up Perth Road.
Come on, them search
And
concentration.
then they went to search Perth Road.
No man, them concentration of them search, the first concentration of them search straight to Perth Road. And they sat in Perth Road. Them everything where you hear come from Perth Road. The only thing from Perth Road differently is where the teacher would have saw him on Villa Road round.
Alright, watch out. The principal come out and say there was a person who said them saw Jayden soaking wet from the Friday. This is why the search Tuesday them go search up a Perth Drive and all of these things. Right? But they were there before.
Right. They were there from the same evening.
From the Friday night.
Yes,
But
and
watch
that,
out,
Watch now, me break it down.
Kenda,
You see
if you
when
have the something, if you listen to what the young man said,
that the same phone you the pants,
if you listen to what the young man said, when they say, so why you the upper Perth Road? Why you go upper Perth Road? He say, because the lady tell us say Jayden I go up Perth Road.
No, alright, make a play it for you. I have the recording. I'm gonna play it. Give me 1 minute.
Do you want another year?
Yes, Grant, from the Friday night, them first search Perth Road. And when, if you listen to the thing, they ask him why him search Perth Road, why him did the upper Perth Road, and he tells that the lady.
So you never hear the part when say because we did up there wait for him.
We did up there wait for him.
Yeah.
That's not what
Let
I
them
heard.
did up there wait. They never seen the up there wait himself. Cause we up there all long.
Now wait.
Up
Search.
there where they all long. Up there where they all long. Him never say wait.
Yes, Grant, I know the search from the Friday night. I know that.
I think the lady, this I think the sighting of the lady, I think it was Saturday morning, the sighting of the lady said that.
Not Friday.
Then, I don't think it was Friday, I think it was Saturday morning. When the lady said that her son sit down on the wall and play on his phone and see little boy walk past and when he go back to the
Saturday
house.
morning, Tiger, it was Friday evening, Saturday evening, maybe the little boy same thing. Saturday evening.
Saturday, yeah,
Because
well,
the date is
Saturday.
wrong. But remember, we wouldn't know. We wouldn't know say he missing because in Shasta from the day before that he missing. So we wouldn't know the Saturday say he missing.
Yeah, on the Saturday, but it wasn't the Friday, it was the Saturday. The one where the woman where they did on the road a pint over the place. Because remember when she stand up a pint, it was like daylight, and after 6 o'clock when he go missing, when that was it. But my question is this: where did they get their information from to go there Friday night?
That's what, remember somebody asked Demar that question. And he said, brother, we not tell us the lady. And then he was talking about the lady that tell him that then see Jayden up there and then somebody asked another question on top of that question. And he finished the story and started the other question.
Go to Perth Road that they would have seen that lady and nowhere else.
Yeah, the lady. I think
Price, you're talking the lady with the camera and the person on the veranda. That's a different lady, Price.
No, what you're not getting it, You miss one youth missing. And you look see. I am saying all your search where you search, just concentrate one area, one road. You speak about no other road. Just this one road where you left your yard and go. Everything is about Perth Road. You know you about the Cartridge Road. You know you about Caledonia Road. You know you about everything.
Alright, listen, me I go play it now. Listen to them talk. Listen.
Since I say go buy pizza, them say him say my wait for me. Which
What
is
the father one, yeah?
And he could not wait for me because me don't at the hospital with my mother and baby.
Another one, yeah. Other one, yeah, the other one, wait. I'm find the other one.
So you hear what I'm saying?
So him did the hospital all in at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
With the mother and the baby. Not yet, you take it right from it because it's school over 2:30, right? And him say Jayden couldn't wait for him because I'm not at the hospital with the mother and the baby.
Okay.
So in the hospital 2:30, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, then that him a tell we Because 2:30 school over and Jayden go look for him then. So him a tell we say in the hospital 2:30, 3:30, 4 o'clock until after 4 when time Jayden was seen in a so we need to extend we knowledge from that door. Yeah. We need to extend we knowledge for that because I know we're going to tell you saying that the hospital with the mother and the baby. So I could, if I could, you know what I'm saying?
It's here now. You know what I'm going to play it now?
Sister, tell the little boy, tell her, say, I know him, Jayden, they wait pan. And the next
A
cousin is
Shani,
sister. You know, so
exactly.
they try to tell us that your father captain.
Watch
Right
now.
there,
Listen.
What you think Jayden did this evening? You know, when your mind, the first person that come in your mind. Me thinking still up a Perth Road, cause up there, so we there how long, cause one up there say she see Jayden pass up there. He look tired, and sitting down. You don't know. But you feel Jayden still hiding in a bush. All of that. Jayden hiding in a bush. Jayden there in a some sort of house, cause how he could have lived till him there. Exactly. So me I say, you feel somebody that really have Jayden in their house, put this friend and know say, when Jayden turn up, they are going in trouble. We see that the business in Jamaica.
Yeah, man, because them are know that Shani get